Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We take problem on flitched beams. Our problem statement is a wooden beam 250 mm into 150 mm has a steel strap of 10 mm into 150 mm fixed at the top and bottom. The beam is subjected to a bending moment of 5 kN meter around the horizontal axis. Determine the stress in the steel and wood. We've been given the values of ES and EW, that is the Young's modulus of steel and wood, as 200 gigapascal and 20 gigapascal respectively. So let's draw a figure for the given composite flitched beam. Okay, so this is a representative diagram of this composite section of a beam according to the given data. We have this wooden beam of width 150 mm and depth 250 mm to which a steel straps has been placed at the top and bottom, whose dimensions are 10 mm depth and same 150 mm width. So in this problem we have been asked to find the stresses in steel and wood. So let's start with drawing the centroidal axis of this composite section. Now due to the symmetry, the centroidal axis will pass through the center of this composite section. Now this center of composite section is actually the center of the wooden section. So we can say that the centroidal axis of the composite section passed through the centroidal axis of wooden section. But if we see, the same centroidal axis of composite section does not pass through the centroidal axis of these two steel sections, which is at the top and bottom of the wooden section. So if to solve this problem, but first let's write all the given data. So we have the bending moment maximum as 5 kN meter, which is also equal to 5 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. Also, the value of Young's modulus for steel ES is 200 gigapascal. So this is equal to 200 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per mm square. Similarly for wood, Young's modulus is 20 gigapascal. So this is 20 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per mm square. And in this problem we have been asked to find out first the maximum stress induced in steel and second the maximum stress induced in wood.